Some veteran Jamaican sprinter Asafa Powell has joined the movement who think our Olympic athletes should not be criticized. Listen to Asafa, listen.
We don't stop pressure the athlete them, because you think them go out there for lose? Them don't go out there for lose, you know, them go out there for do them best and win, because this is their living. This is how they make their money. Jamaica no pay athletes to run. You understand? You guys don't pay the athletes to run. Nobody pay the athletes to run, so no stop pressure the athlete them.
All right, Safa, all right. Time short, Olympic coverage. So me I work with you. Yes. We should only praise the athletes. We cannot criticize them. Whether they perform or them don't perform. Whether them come first or they come last. Jamaican Olympians should be exempt from all criticism. Whether them perform or not, just big them up. Yes. Because we not pay them. Yeah, man, Safa. We are going to watch some Olympics now so that we can big up some athletes. All right? Whether them win, lose, or draw. Good, sir. Good, sir. Safa, who feels it, knows it, don't. Who